How to turn off message notifications on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can turn off message notifications on iPad. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you receive maybe iMessage and maybe you would like to turn off the notifications for Messages app, all you have to do is open the settings application here, and then on the left hand side you want to simply look for an application called Messages and then just go to the Messages app. When you go to Messages app, at the very top you'll find one of the options that says notifications. So you can just tap the notifications option here, and when you tap the notifications option you'll find allow notifications. All you have to do is just turn the toggle off like that, and then your notifications on iPad will get successfully disabled. This way you can turn off message notifications on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.